In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix trading disabled in MetaTrader 5. First, you have to check your login credentials. Make sure you log in using your full trading account password, not an investor or read-only password. Try logging out and signing back in if needed. Enable one-click trading. Step 1, go to the top menu, then Tools, then Options. Step 2, select the Trade tab, and for the third step, check the box for one-click trading. Finally, click OK to save. Verify your account status. If your account is new, confirm that you've made your first deposit. Trading is locked until then. If your account has been inactive for over 30 days, contact your broker to reactivate it. Check market hours and connection. Make sure the market is open and your platform is connected to your broker's server. Check the connection status at the bottom right of MetaTrader 5. Contact broker support. If none of these steps fix it, reach out to your broker support team, especially if there are security or verification issues. Tips to avoid trading disabled in the future. Log in and trade at least once every 30 days. Keep your account verified and funded. Stay updated on your broker's policies. And that would be all for this guide. I'll see you on the next one.